Hey everyone, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers, and we are gearing up for our 54th annual Labor Day auction. 3 big days over Labor Day weekend right here in our facility in Auburn, Indiana. We have some phenomenal cars consigned and some that are here, and one of them that's even already here is likely one of my favorites of all of the cars that we're going to be offering. This particular car will sell Saturday night, August 31st. And it is a very, very special car indeed. I'm sure it's an impressive car at first glance. And when you see it in person, it's even more so. It's incredible. 1937 Delage D8-120 Cabriolet. French-built car. Delages are phenomenal, phenomenal cars, incredibly high quality. And as you can see, they are designed as well as any car that's ever been built. My favorite era is this era of the pre-war cars, the pre-war classics, collectibles, and the French nailed it. Delage, Delahaye, they always had such great coach work, and this car is no exception. This custom coach work by Chapron, Henri Chapron, one of the most highly respected coach builders ever, is the artist and execution of this incredible style. I mean, every aspect of this car, every detail, every angle you look at this car, the fenders flow back in nicely, the pipes, I mean, it's incredible. Attention to detail when they built these cars is off the charts. And I'm always impressed at how something would go from a designer's idea in his head to paper to a final product, and this is the perfect example of that. So not only is it beautiful and obviously great eye candy, one of the things I love about this car is the drivability. So the car drives fantastic. We've had the car out on several occasions. I've known the car for many, many years, and it really, really runs exactly the way you'd want to. Shifts well. Cotel pre-select shifter is very, very easy to work. You jump in, you sit in the car. The leather is kind of like, you know, when you put on that perfect pair of shoes, how great they fit, how great they feel. That's what this feels like when you sit in this car. It holds you, it wraps you in nicely, and you're immediately comfortable, which if you're somebody that loves to go on car tours, that's a big deal. And I am that guy, and I have found that this car gives you that. It's phenomenal that way. Handles very, very well, responds very, very well. It's always been maintained very well too, which you can tell by the outside, but mechanically it's been maintained as well. It is a very strong runner and certainly a very usable car. So if you just want to buy it and show it somewhere, obviously you are eligible to get to incredible events, not just in North America, but all over the world. And if you want to use it and drive it, which this is very capable, you can do that too. And one of the things about this particular car is, if you want to go on a classic car club event, boom, you're in, because it is a pre-war classic. If you want to go on a car that's European cars on a tour, bang, there it is, you're invited. If you want to go on like the Mille Miglia or the Colorado Grand, or this car gets you, it's one of those cars that checks all the boxes for usability, because you you can take it on sports car tours, classic car tours, as I said, it's incredibly versatile. We talked about condition. It was restored by one of the best restoration companies in France. So French car done in France, you know it's going to be done right. Actually, it goes back to Louis Vuitton. This car was owned by Herve Ogliastro, who is the Louis Vuitton heir. Could have anything he wanted, I'm guessing, right? And chose this. So it is that kind of automobile. It strikes that incredible chord with everybody, and it'll do the same for you. This car is one of the great cars built from the era, one of the great French cars, certainly one of the greatest design cars, and it's going to sell Saturday night, August 31st, right here in Auburn, Indiana, 54th annual Labor Day auction and show. About 400 cars here. It's going to be awesome. If you've never been to Auburn, make plans. Auburn Fall is one of those destinations where if you're a car person and you haven't done it, it's a bucket list destination. Thousands of you already have. Come back. It keeps getting bigger and better. Looking forward to see you there.